The petal diffuser, the Aromalite diffuser, or the Lumo diffuser from doTERRA are really great options. You can also apply 1 to 2 drops. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the benefits and uses of geranium essential oil. A member of the Pelargonium genus of flower species, geraniums are grown for their beauty and as a staple of the perfume industry. While there are over 200 different varieties of Pelargonium flowers, only a few are used as essential oils. Uses of geranium essential oil date back to ancient Egypt when Egyptians used geranium oil to beautify the skin and for other benefits. In the Victorian era, fresh geranium leaves were placed at formal dining tables as decorative pieces to be consumed as fresh sprig if desired. In fact, the edible leaves and flowers of the plant are often used in desserts, cakes, jellies, and teas. As an essential oil, geranium has been used to promote the appearance of clear skin and healthy hair, making it ideal for skin and hair care products. It also helps calm nerves and lessen feelings of stress. Geranium is also known to naturally repel insects. The top 3 common uses for doTERRA's geranium essential oil are aromatic, so breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. The main benefits of geranium are that it beautifies your skin, calms and grounds emotions, repels insects, and is a great natural DIY potpourri. The directions for use are placing 1 to 2 drops in a veggie capsule and taking in the morning and night for digestive benefits. I like to use doTERRA's veggie caps, which are right here. So you just take one out like so, and then you open it, put the 1 to 2 drops of essential oil inside, close it, and then take it with food and water for best results. And then you can also diffuse 3 drops of the geranium with 3 drops of sandalwood to balance emotions and ward off insects. The petal diffuser, the Aromalite diffuser, or the Lumo diffuser from doTERRA are really great options. You can also apply 1 to 2 drops with a fractionated coconut oil to your face in the morning and at night as a part of your skincare routine. And then doTERRA has that fractionated coconut oil here. So this fractionated coconut oil, or FCO, is going to help you cover larger surface areas of the body, as well as reduce the chance of irritation from the essential oil and help the essential oil absorb better into your skin. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.